Another stunner for you today, a carbonized gray 2022 Akins Ford F-150 Platinum black appearance package. So they take care of a lot of things that we normally do, which I'm okay with that because we can turn these vehicles faster, y'all. And Nick Williams, who did that amazing, the baddest F-250 we've ever done on the Carly E-Venture, this is his buddy Brent, hooked him up in the same color, carbonized gray, and we are leveled on 33. Fox Roush 2.0 level kit up front with Fox shocks in the back. Fuel Typhoon wheel in 22x10, -18 on the offset. MBRP exhaust as well. That mild to wild scale, because we are so negative, we're on the wild side. Doing only a 33 with this 2-inch kit enables us to have clearance and articulation that we need to run this wild of an offset. So Fuel Typhoon, you'll have to do some minor trimming out back, and there's a good look at your Fox coilover up front as well. With the black appearance package, you get special side badging, you get the trimmer, top heat extractors that are functional. You get the trimmer grill that has the black accent on it. We greatly appreciate him and Nick as well. Rolling lock, BT 131 bed cover with all the goodies, y'all. This is a new wheel for fuel, been out a few months now, and we ran it a few times, but have never seen it on a carbonized variant like this, and a covert at that. They are aggressive on their offset, so we typically do it on our 3.5-inch kit, so it's good to see this on our leveled stance, just 2-inch leveled with that with entire combo, so you can see that mild to wild scale of how aggressive it is. So it has a good balance to it. So if you want to run this aggressive of a wheel, you can still do it, but you got to go down in your tire size. Just take note and know that us here at Willies, right there next door, Willies, and there's Akins Ford, we know, because we do this so much, y'all, of what balance, what you're looking for. So just communicate when you, the customer, is paramount in making sure we get the perfect build. And for Brent and Nick, we killed it, y'all. So thanks so much. Walt took care of his accessories. Jesse sold him again. Customer service is so important to us and everything. So taking care of our customers every time is what we're about and makes us legit. Peace out.